It's Good Friday! What would happen if your workshop burnt down?
Well, it burnt down, wouldn't it?
You're going to get spray tan today, right?
Doesn't look good. It's not on me.
I'll get you one. Measure twice, Darren. Cut twice.
They look relatively normal, don't they?
Yeah?
And you actually clap them like this. Pen stamp.
You watch me struggle with that?
I wanted to see how quickly you learned. Just comparing you to a jackdaw or a blackbird.
How long have you had this? Put your finger on it. What is it, a vibraty thing? Oh fuck, it's heavy.
That's my big vibrator.
Don't try and help, will you? I wish you were low noise.
I wish you were oil-free.
Come on, Darren!
Wait!
You drink that stuff. Whoopsie! What do you want me to press?
Huh?
I said, what do you want me to press? It's not really Good Friday. Just
Good Friday.
Just Good Friday.
What a time. You can drink anything. Any liquid, it's drinkable. Even petrol.
Darren's going to get his hair cut. Oh, my voice. Be seeing our gorgeous friends tomorrow. I should have asked him to get a fringe pin. That would look good. Like this. Darren with a fringe. What makes you upset, Darren?
Everything!
Is that what you blow up your blow up doll with?
No, it's far too small.
Did you get a fringe pin?
Yeah, they put it at the back.
Not funny, Darren. You don't have to be cross with me all the time.
Christmas.